I did a huge mistake. Looks like it failed miserably. I'm regretting this decision. It looks like and I don't know how to fix. Hey YouTube, my name is Shira and on today's video I'm going to try to nail split bleach on a short hair. I do follow in this video BRAD Mondo's guide for bleaching and dyeing your hair at home. I have the Blonde Me Developer 20 volume. What I don't have, and BRAD Mondo is really recommending to use, is a real toner. I'm going to just mix purple dye with conditioner because I'm cheap. This is what we have, and this is quarantine second time, and I just figured that here in Berlin the restrictions are going to stay with us for a while now. So I have nothing to lose basically, and it's super cold, so I can put my beanie on and decide to stay black. Anyway, if everything fails, I'll just dye my other part with crazy color, and then no one will see the disastrous bleach work that I'm going to make on myself. So next step is to section. I'm going to do this off camera because nobody cares about sectioning. I'm just going to show you the final result. This part I'm going to leave dry because you need to do it on a dry hair. I'm excited and I'm stressed because it's the first time that I bleach my hair. I do dye it a lot at home after it's already been bleached in professional salons, but with bleach it's a different story. I hope I will. Yeah, I'm going to take this out so I won't burn myself. Should I? Yeah, I'm going to also take this one out. Yeah, this will be smarter because everything metal is not good with bleach. So a lot is waiting for us, right? Let's start. So I'm all sectioned up. So I did my best. I hope it stayed. What I used is conditioner on this side. It really helped separate the hair. And I used sectioning combs and some sectioning clips. So I'm doing the Vaseline on my ears. Gloves. 1, 2. 1 powder to 2 developer. We have 40, so we need 80. And now I mix it. This is how it looks. Okay, we start. I already started for TikTok. What BRAD Mondo said in his guide is to really saturate the hair with the bleach. Oh my god, there is no way back. So I'm leaving my roots. I probably should have separated better to just use a small amount of hair every time. Oh my god. Did I mention that I never bleach my hair? Did I mention it? No, not the brows. I can't talk to the camera while doing this because it's too stressful, so I'll see you. You can see that I don't do a very good job here. I'm not sectioning it well enough. I'm not using small amount of hair every time. It was definitely way harder than I expected to do it myself. So this is what you see here. This is definitely not the way you're supposed to do that. I did my best. Last thing is using a nylon bag. I put a little bit water inside. Pretty. Oh my god. Oh, this is not good. I'm quite regretting this decision to make this on my own, but it is what it is. It doesn't look too bad, but I know it will look bad, so stay tuned. I'm going to rinse it in lukewarm water, not too cold, as BRAD Mondo said, and not too warm, so it won't burn your scalp, but not too cold, so it won't be like a shock to the hair, because this is warm and the water is cold, so something in between. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. The worst decision ever. Are you ready? Because it looks like and I don't know how to fix it. Ooh, okay. Yes, this exactly what I didn't want happened. How do I even? Yay, I had roots, great. I am going to attempt in fixing it. I'm going to dry it. Let's see the back, because I didn't even look at the back. It doesn't look too bad. It looks fine. It's just orange. I just look orange. I'm just orange. But is that a look? No, it's not. It's not a look. But I mean, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. If I'm doing the side bangs as I have. Yeah. Great. I don't know how to avoid dyeing the roots again. It's not falling off or anything, so I think it can handle another round of bleach only at the roots. it didn't burn so much also, so I think I'm going to try and fix it. So it dried naturally and I don't hate it. I really don't. I actually like it more than I expected. It's also like nice to the other side. Like, I like it. What? This is cool. Yeah, the shade is off, but like, okay. So what I'm going to do now is just bleach only the roots. So the second attempt on the bleach, and this time I will avoid the roots. So I'm going to do it only in the ends. I don't think I made enough, but will do. So I had a big orangey, oh no.
Again, it looked pretty easy from the outside to do that, but then I started and it became extremely hard, and like bleaching at home is hard. Just like clarification.
Second time is on. Now it's not going to be perfect. This is hard to do. I forgot the hot hair. Yeah, awesome. It looks like it failed miserably, but I'm going to wash it off. See you tomorrow. Hi. Somehow I liked it better when it was darker, when it was like orange bleach. Oh, I don't know. Today I'm going to attempt and fix it, not with a toner, and I didn't want to use silver shampoo because it really dries your hair, and after bleaching your hair is already so dry, so I wanted to just give it a regular treatment, and I used a lot of hair mask. What I'm going to do is just plainly mix conditioner with a little bit of purple hair dye. I think this is more yellow than orange, and the opposite color of yellow is purple. So we're going to try and do this. I will leave it for like an hour, I think, and we'll see. But other than that, I'm really happy. It was super hard, and I know I made like tons of mistakes. You watch a video and you're like, yeah, I got it. Easy peasy. And then you get to the real thing and you realize that you can't really separate the hair while doing this, and then you can't really not touch your roots. There are some orange parts, but I don't want to use the bleach again, and I had nightmares after bleaching the second time that I put something in my hair and then it falls off. So we're not going to do that anymore. Not now. We'll see after the toner. So I have here tons of conditioner, and I'm going to add a little bit of purple. I thought I have something better than this Plum by Directions, but I don't. So I'm going to use this and hope for the best. So this is the amount I'm using for now. You can always add more. I'm going to also use a little bit of Midnight Blue by the same company. This is the final shade of the toner, and I'm happy with it. Let's apply it. Maybe I need to do things. It's really light. I don't know if it even will do something, but we ought to try. I definitely did a better job technique-wise with the toner. I can't help myself, I'm that down. This is how it looks. I hope I covered everything. I kind of feel stupid for even trying because my hair is too dark and there's spots that is like impossibly dark. I wanted it platinum white, and what I got is cheek yellow. Thanks for staying. I wanted to show you the entire process, so if it comes up nice, then you know how I did this. I have almost zero knowledge on bleaching, dyeing your hair. So I'm going to let it sit and we'll get back to it. I have to say, I'm super surprised and impressed. Let's start with the good parts, which is this side. It actually worked. I mean, it looks almost platinum. I'm super surprised. But this is like the worst part. I mean, I do like this, really. And if my entire hair was like this, I would definitely leave it like this. But when I change my parting, then you mostly see the dark parts because it's in the front. If it was in the back, I wouldn't mind because I don't see it, so I don't care. This is not, no. But this, oh my god, this is Draco Malfoy shade. What? And this is later Draco Malfoy shade. I can't believe he bleached his hair in such a young age. It was 9 or something. So it works. Toner works, but you just need to have bright bleach. You can see like in the roots that it looks almost silver,
which is what I wanted. See you in my next decision. We have here the mixture, second one. So the strategy is really this time start with the ends, so it will be darker in the ends, and I'm only going to leave it for half an hour this time. I just realized I didn't show you the hair. After the second time, I used hair dye with the conditioner. So that was the result. You can see that I have some orange parts, but in general, look at this. What is this? How did it? Oh my God. So today I'm going to wash it with purple shampoo. Hopefully it will help get rid of the yellows. And if it wouldn't help much, I will try to re-bleach only the ends. I definitely didn't expect it to be silver on my own for the first time at home. I'll see you after washing the hair. Here is how it looks the next day. I'm not happy with this. It's more evident the patchiness. It looks more patchy than before. Sorry, I'm with my coffee. I didn't wake up yet. This is it. I wish all of my hair would look like this. One, I think I didn't make any noticeable damage yet. It feels really good. And two, it actually looks decent and presentable to go out with. So, win. We're going to try and do this methodically. Okay, I started to take it off and then I realized that I didn't show you what I did. So this time I tried to like separate the parts that I already bleached with this, and then it will be easier for me to control. You see, I can move them and see also what is dyed and what is not. And I will rinse it quite quickly because I don't want like my hair to fall off. So I did a huge mistake because I forgot that I used in the toner a blue hair dye that combined with the bleach became green, and I panicked when I saw it becoming green, and when I washed it in the shower I tried to fix it with a purple pink hair dye mixed with a mask, and since I dyed it on wet hair it became like super patchy, and I tried to wash it off and it didn't work, and the result is this is after I washed it 3 times, twice with dandruff shampoo and once with regular shampoo. I also tried to use silver shampoo, and this is the patchy result. My hair looks like a mess because I didn't want to put mask on because I knew I wanted to dye it again today. You can see that I have some pink stains. It was supposed to be like a guide, and it's like all the mistakes you can probably make while doing this. I did this for you. So this is mistakes to avoid, I guess. The result, I think it's a bit like a 1 shade lighter. So it did work, and I hope that with the toner it will be a bit better. But I'm definitely not going to touch bleach anytime soon. And since it's my first time doing this to myself and in general, I believe it's a pretty damn good result, if I may add. And BRAD MONDO, if you watch this, please watch till the end. The hardest part for me was parting the hair and then repart it and repart it. It's almost impossible to resection it the same way because you can't really separate your hairs like one by one. I'm not even sure how I like it better. This is my natural parting, but if I can play with this, then why not? So yeah, see you with the result. Okay, so I will give you a quick update about my situation. It became a little bit too blue. I mixed a little bit too much of the blue and it became blue. I don't know, on camera it looks pretty nice. It's still patchy and uneven because, you know, the bleach itself is quite uneven, so... But I don't know, it looks kind of cool. Let's do another direction. First you can see there are some parts that are more purple because they were quite pink. But overall, I think I'm pretty... like happy about it. Even like the really yellow parts that were here are quite silverish. Pretty cool. Oh my god, I have split dye. I have split bleach. You know, this is like the hardest part, to bleach short hair, only half of it. I definitely recommend to do it with another person, preferably one that understands color and bleach a little bit. I do feel like I quite did a good job. This is like pretty nice. My best recommendation for you is never, after I did it in a rush, never dye your hair when it's wet. It's uneven. It always will be uneven. The hair just doesn't pick up the dye well enough when it's wet. So definitely, even if you're like stressed about your result, never dye on wet hair. Wait for it to dry or dry it with a blow dry, and then you can like fix. So if you can learn from my mistakes, please do. Second mistake was to bleach over a dye, because it picks like the tint of the dye, even if it's just a little bit of it, and it's like responding to this. So even if it's just a little bit of blue, it will be picked up by the bleach. Thank you for watching. Usually my channel is about food, and I didn't upload their videos for almost 1 year, like since I shaved my head. If you want to see this video, click right there. It was interesting, and then I didn't bleach it since, because I didn't have the chance to do it outside of my house. And then I realized I can't do anymore without bleached hair and without the option to dye it, so I just bleached it myself. Thank you, BRAD MONDO. And this is the result. This is my split bleach hair. I feel like it's really cool. It's definitely fun. I still have my natural if I want to look, I don't know, normal. Who wants that? And I have my other part if I want to look cooler. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to drop them below. And I also will add some affiliate links for the products that I used. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. And I hope I'll see you on the next one.